The same can be done as we saw before for the groups, also for the Facebook fan pages. So I can here do an advanced search on Facebook pages. So I'm gonna check for Facebook pages, for example, here on Sony. I want to promote products of Sony products. I'm gonna extract here all the fans. You see here I have all here, all the Sony groups, and here I can see the insights. Okay, here I finished this, so I'm gonna close. I'm gonna see all the insights. Here you see from where people are coming from. You can see here most of them are from Vietnam, so you should promote in Vietnam, for example, if you want to promote about Sony. Okay, look how many. Okay, then you see discover here. Okay, of course, these are the user Sony Vegas Studio here. Gonna open on this. Okay, and then you get here discover, you get the Facebook ID. Okay, you can click on the most liked, most commented, or most shared post in the Facebook. Okay, here you see some of the posts, most liked posts. Here you can see. Now you can post this one. Okay, you can view how you decide to post this. Okay, well, please choose a here. You can choose one of your fan pages. I have these fan pages, and I can post this. Okay, you can range the post 0 to 30 seconds or 30 seconds to 1 minute. I'm gonna schedule this post. Okay, we will see later how to do this. So this is incredible. It's an incredible tool. You not only find pages, but you find also what are in these pages. You can see the post, and you can post the post according to here some analytics: how many likes, how many comments, how many forward, how many share. Okay, something like that. Here you have all this information about a fan page. You get here, you can view, and you can post the same fan page post. Okay, you can also see the most commented, the most shared. Okay, this is the most liked. See 39 likes, 37, etc. So here we are. We have all our post idea. Also here the number of fans. We see how many people are on this area, and then you can download. Okay, you download. Again, you can include only the ID, and once you download the ID, you can do like for the groups. You're going to the okay, I'm gonna download this. I'm gonna exclude all this part, only the ID. Download. I'm gonna open it. I have here again this format cells. Okay, something like that. I'm gonna save as. Okay, Facebook page, fan. Unfortunately, we cannot extract in one shot for several fan pages, but at least we have the list and we can upload, we can search one by one, but at least we have a list of fan pages related to a special niche.